It's less than 24 hours since I had my surgery in Hair Restoration Blackrock. I had it this time yesterday. I was checking in at 7:45. I think I had my surgery at 11. It's now 9 o'clock the next day, and I'm pretty surprised by the little impact of this surgery. I was quite concerned about what I might look like in the following day, 4 days, 10 days after, whether it would be noticeable to friends and social events. That was causing me a lot of anxiety, so I'm surprised to see that pretty much I came home straight after the surgery, and my wife and kids and even my sister-in-law were there, and no one noticed except for my daughter saying, did I dye my hair because my hair was wet? So what you can actually see is, I can't see it without my glasses, but you can actually see the grafts that are there on the front. I gather will take full out in a couple of weeks, and normal hairs will grow in then over the preceding months. I think it might even take up to 6 months. I'm very happy with how that's turned out. The concern was what I might look like for the back of my hair with the scar. I think you can see here from the, can't really zoom in, but the back of my head, there's no noticeable scar. So whilst I was thinking that it might be 4 days before I can go out in public or go back to work, I was actually back at work, working from home on my screen yesterday afternoon. So yeah, overall I'm very, very happy actually. As I said, that was my big anxiety, was what I was going to look like afterwards for the very short term. And had I known that this was what it was going to be, then I wouldn't have had that anxiety at all. I guess I looked at some of the videos on the website from Paul McGinley and Lou Walsh and all these guys, and they didn't really kind of cover the first 24 hours, so I thought I might cover that myself. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. Professional from start to finish.